My name is Jack Wilson, and I'm the Auto Service 2 instructor at the Lake County Tech Campus, and I'm here to talk to you all today about our 5th annual Raffle Car. Our Raffle Car program began 5 years ago in 2021 with an idea and a concept to help support students that are getting into the technical trades industry with the expense of tools and training. This year, we're very excited to release our 2013 Chevy Traverse that we've been working on all year long. Throughout the past year, students on both the automotive repair side and the collision repair side did various tasks such as repairing damage to the front end of the vehicle, repainting the hood and the fender, putting new lighting system, replacing things such as brakes, fluids, battery, four-wheel alignment, and then thoroughly tested to make sure that all repairs were done correctly. Tickets are $10 a piece. You can buy 1 ticket, you can buy 2 tickets, you can buy 10 tickets. Ticket number sales are unlimited per person. For every ticket purchased, every single dollar goes directly into our Tool Scholarship Fund. Last year, we awarded 6 students. Each student won $5,000 worth of tools and a toolbox to get them started into the industry. Since this program began, we've awarded over 12 students and over $50,000 worth of tools and equipment through this program.